Hi, good evening all. Welcome to Stock Market Institute Market Wrap Up. Wishing you all a very happy and healthy 2021. So today was the first trading day of the new decade and markets were positive. Sensex went up by almost 117.65 points and Nifty went up by almost 36.75 points, and Nifty crossed that magical number and it still sustained, and Nifty closed at around 14,018.5 points, which is a good thing. The day's biggest news is GST collections was highest ever till date in December, and they have collected almost 1.15 lakh crores, which is a very good thing. So economy is showing a lot of recovery and a lot of strength which is getting built in economy. We just have to wait and wish that second wave of COVID does not hit like how it has hit the other nations across the world. At the same time, Anthony Waste Management, which got listed today, got listed at around 37% premium and went up till almost 56% high, and at the time of closure it came down to almost 30%. So I recommend you to sell it off if you are holding on to this particular shares, so that you can at least book that particular percentage of profits. Mahindra and Mahindra and Ford, who had a joint venture which just got announced few months back, and they had started working on few of the models which was from Ford that Mahindra was about to manufacture, but today bad news comes out telling that their partnership has been called off. So now probably Ford may not continue to operate or do any business in India. Tata Sons, as we told yesterday, Tata Sons has so much money. Right now Tata Sons holding across listed companies is valued at around 9.28 lakh crores, and central government holding across the listed companies is valued at around 9.24 lakh crores. So Tata Sons is having much higher stake or much valuable stake in listed companies than the central government. And Tata Motors has reported 84% growth in sales just in month of December. So almost all the other car companies have also posted positive results, but Tata's is highest. It is 84% sales growth. Jubilant Foods, which is the promoter or the holding company of Domino's in India, recently ventured into biryani business. They are now in talks with Barbecue Nation to pick up a stake of around 10%. So food is there everywhere. So is the food industry booming. So we can expect more of these kind of companies to be invested by Jubilant Foods. So all the best for them. At the same time, the day's winner or the gainer was Adani Ports, which went up by almost 4.16%, and the day's loser was ICICI Bank, which went down by almost 1.41%. Gold right now is trading around 50,230 rupees, and the same is up by 79 rupees. Silver right now is trading at around 68,208, and the same is up by 103 rupees for every kilo. The technical chart shows sign of strength, so we just have to wait and watch the week forward. At the same time, we just have to wish and hope that global markets also support Indian markets. With this, we come to the end of this particular market wrap up. Do like and subscribe the channel. We are also starting with our new program. The new batch is getting launched, which is called as Expert in Capital Market Applied Practices, where we are offering you a job along with the course. So you will be working from Monday to Friday, and Saturday and Sunday you will be attending the course online. So anywhere across India you can still get to work and study with us in the weekends. Thank you. Have a great day.